Okay, I'm going to go over expectations for Unit 4. So we're doing combinatorics, which just is a fancy way of saying different ways of counting. Okay, so number one is, this is going to go right there. You have a unit assignment here. Okay, the unit assignment looks like this. Okay, I will set due dates for this end of this week. But essentially, every lesson pretty much connects to one of the questions. So lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 as we go through. So as you go through, do the practice, do a unit assignment question. Do a practice, do a unit assignment question. As I said at the very beginning, this is 75% for a pass. And if you don't pass it, then you'll get it back and you'll have to hand it back in. So that's number one. Number two is your major assignment. Okay? Your major assignment for this, and you'll have time at the end of the unit, is doing a movie assignment. So over the unit, you're going to learn how to count 10 different ways: Venn diagram, organized counting, factorials, permutations, indirect permutations, combination, indirect combinations, and using Pascal's triangle. So your task will be to, using any movie, book, any theme you want. I've had people do sports themes, anything like that. Create 10 questions revolving around that and put it in a slideshow. So, for example, this is one individual who did Inside Out. Okay? Now you can use Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint along those lines. So, you see she sets up questions, and there's 10 different questions here, all themed around Inside Out. The movie or book doesn't have to be followed to a T, just the same theming, same idea along those lines. These guys did Toy Story, and they did questions around Toy Story. And now it doesn't have to be exactly like the movie, as long as it is contained within the movie per se. Okay? So, not contained in the movie, but you understand it has to be themed around the movie. So that's your movie assignment. Now, when you do that, you will hand in 2 items. Number 1 will be the slideshow that looks like this. That looks like this here. And number 2, you have to hand me in a solution manual for your questions. And all those are located in the Dropbox. So I have your Unit 4 assignment. That's what I showed you before. Unit 4 movie assignment hand-in. That's where you hand in the slideshow. And then your movie assignment solutions. That's where you're going to put the solutions for the slideshow in there. Okay? Each one of the lessons are going to have these ones here. When you do the lesson, grab a pencil and pen and work with that. Okay? Because, not the Venn diagram, that's not mine. But these ones are. And all I do is ask questions. We work through types of questions and we make it a little bit harder, a little bit harder, a little bit harder, and so on and so forth. So, get a piece of paper and pen. If you have a whiteboard, do that. And you can follow along and try to answer the questions as I go. Okay, I have 2 lessons up right now. The next 2 lessons will make their way up in the next 2 days. So you can work through that. Okay, have a good Unit 4, and we'll go from there.